Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here today, my name is Reagan, and today we're going to be going over my BoxyCharm box. So this month's box is called Boxy Bash, and you actually got extra items in this month's box. So let's see here, the first thing that we're going to open up is the Pur Sculptor Palette, and this is what it looks like on the white packaging. It's very nice, very sleek. Then you open it up and you have what looks like 2 highlighters and 2 bronzers, if you can see that there. So that retails for $30. The next item in the box, which is what we're going to actually use first, is the blurring primer from CoverFX, which I was super excited to get this. The lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. I was super excited when I saw that this was actually going to be in this month's box. So I don't have any makeup on other than my eyebrows, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on. And just so you can see right off the bat, with only putting it on just this side, as you can see, I have a very deep line in my forehead, and it does smooth that out quite a bit, along with the rest of the side of the face there. So this primer is like really nice. Alright, I'm not sure if I said this, but this retails for $38. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, because the rest of this does require me to actually have face makeup on, so I'm going to go ahead off camera, go ahead and get my face makeup on, and then we're going to come back and we're going to actually start using the rest of these products, like the sculpture palette and everything. So I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, so I have my foundation on. I've got a little bit of powder under the eyes, baking just a little bit there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead into this palette here. Now, another thing that came in the BoxyCharm box along with the palette was some brush sets. Let's see here, this is the Aesthetica face brush, P12 face brush. Synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, perfect for creating a seamless look. Then we also got these 3 from the same brand. It's a 3-piece eye trio. Comes with an angular eyebrow or eyeliner brush, a eyebrow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. So we will be using these as well. Now I won't need to use the spoolie because I've already done my eyebrows. But we will. Now I'm not going to use this brush for contouring because I don't think it's the right size for that. I'll probably use it for something else. I will be using my crown brush though. It doesn't have a name to it, but I believe it also came in a BoxyCharm box. So I am going to be using this color here, which is the lighter of the 2. They are still both pretty dark colors, but this is the one I'm going to use to contour with. Alright, and then I am going to go in with my crease brush here, and I'm actually going to use that to contour my nose with. Alright. So while we've got that setting, let's see here. We know about the other brushes. The other thing that came in the thing was a long wearing matte lip gloss. Oh, sorry. before I go further. The face brush is a $27 face brush. The trio is $45. Wow, that's plain sight. And let's see here. Now there's going to be two other things that I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to put them on yet because I'm going to go into another video and finish up the rest of my face, and then we will come back and finish up this using these products. But they are, this is something I was super excited about, a Pretty Vulgar the ink gel eyeliner. This retails for $24. And then the, I don't even know what brand this is. Oh, Beauty Creations long wear matte lip gloss in the color 24 Kiss Me. This retails for $10. So let's see here, what our overall box is going to be. So the overall box this month is $174, which is just completely outstanding considering you're only paying around $21 for the box. So I would definitely say if you are not a subscription to, if you do not have a subscription to this box, you really should look into it, because I am telling you, they have been really blowing it out of the water when it comes to the products in the boxes lately, especially when you're getting stuff like CoverFX, Pretty Vulgar, Pur. These are all like pretty high-end brands. Now I've never heard of the Aesthetica brand before, but the brushes, I mean the brushes itself is very soft, so I am excited to try and use it and see how well it works. So what I will do is, like I said, we will come back to this video here in just a moment. I'm going to finish up with the rest of my makeup, and because I still need to do my eyes and everything, and then we'll come back and we will use the rest of these products we have here. So I'll be back in a moment. Alright everyone, thank you for that hold off there. So I'm back now. I do have some makeup put on, and if you are curious about these looks, I will have another video, actually another 2 videos uploaded where I use some other products on my face to get what I've got going on now. But we are going to get back into our BoxyCharm box here and finish up with what we have. So the first thing being this Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. We're going to go ahead and we're going to use it along with the brushes that came in it. If you've not seen this yet, this is my new mirror. It says, I like my makeup as black as my soul. Freaking love it. And it opens up, 3-way mirror there. Got that from Hot Topic. Thank you so much, Hot Topic. I am going to use the crap out of this mirror. I already know. Alright, so let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is, I know I'm probably going to need to be a little bit closer with it, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my Tarte mirror as well. And the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use the, out of the trio brushes here, the thin one, if I can. There we go. And we're going to see just how well this eyeliner works, because I'm all about some black gel liner. That eyeliner went on so freaking smooth. Yes, I love that eyeliner already. Used it once, love it already. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you can see that. And it looks to dry down pretty matte, which is also very nice. That's what I like. That's what I like. Alright, so the last thing in the box was from Beauty Creations. This was for $10. I think I've already mentioned that the eyeliner was $24. So let's go ahead and let's try this lipstick on. Alright, so this is my finished look using my BoxyCharm makeup that I got this month for the month of May. Sadly enough, I couldn't remember what month it was. So like I was saying, the whole box we ended up retailing for $174, which I still can't even get over that. But I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that way I know to make more of them like it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you will be reminded the next time I upload. I'll go ahead and do a little zoom in. This lip color, I wasn't so sure about it in the tube, but once I put it on, I freaking love this lip color. Only thing is, I don't know if you can see that, but it is a little sticky, which I'm not a fan of, but it's not like horrible sticky like some of the other ones I have tried in the past. So I'm going to test it out a little bit longer, see if it dries down a little more and that stickiness goes away. But we shall see. But again, like I said, you enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.